We can take that off.
Oh boy.
Ooh, that's kind of cool to see.
Oh, it's really good over this way. The way she's standing,
Yeah.
you get over it much quicker. Really,
Oh dear.
Where?
she's like, don't. Oh, that was good.
I'm just brushing it off. That's nice.
I wonder if the video will capture the sound. Because there's quite a lot of bees buzzing.
Whoa, there's no bees in this. Really?
It's taking so long. Dump them.
Perhaps you would like to offer your assistance.
Nah, I'm good. Morning, Gray. I'm close enough already.
Take it out. Could have squished the queen or something.
Love bees.
Yeah, still squish it.
You don't think they're happy for me?
Like a seed of wisdom.
If I get stung, you say it really happy. Ha!
Yeah, let's keep going the video. The bees like my hand. It's tasty.
Oh, let me see.
You got sugar water all
Oh, dang, I almost squished one of my arm.
Dip myself in sugar
Stop
water.
focusing. It's not worth it.
Ooh, Sarah, be careful about that apple.
Yeah.
I just want to look. That's gonna go back. Look like
Hey, you really can see it over here. They want freedom. Hurry up and lock them up. Don't worry, you guys will like it here.
Oh, come on, bee, get off my finger.
Last frame.
It's bee on hand.
I smell.
Well, we still gotta get There's about 20 too many bees in me to be comfortable right now.
Take that off. That's supposed to be our entrance.
Uh-huh. Harry's wearing it for now. Let me get on my...